The Taj Mahal is an iconic ivory white marble mausoleum located in Agra, India, on the south bank of the Yamuna River. It was commissioned in 1631 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is renowned for its architectural beauty, blending Indian, Persian, and Islamic styles, and is considered the finest example of Mughal architecture. The Taj Mahal is not only a symbol of love but also a representation of Shah Jahan's wealth and power, reflecting the prosperity of his empire. The construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1631 and was completed in 1653, taking a total of 22 years to finish. The mausoleum was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away in 1631. The project involved a massive workforce of artisans, craftsmen, and laborers, with estimates suggesting up to 20,000 people were involved at the peak of construction. The architecture of the Taj Mahal reflects a blend of Indo-Islamic styles, combining Hindu and Islamic elements. The design incorporated intricate details like intertwined vegetation, lapidary marquetry, and the iconic dome of lotus, symbolizing a synthesis of Islamic and Hindu art forms. The construction materials were sourced from various regions, with white marble from Rajasthan, sandstone from Fatehpur Sikri, and precious stones from different parts of Asia. The total cost of building the Taj Mahal was over 41 million rupees, funded by the royal treasury and the emperor's personal funds. The Taj Mahal is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's renowned for its stunning architecture, intricate marble work, and beautiful gardens, making it a symbol of love and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. People from all over the world visit the Taj Mahal because it's famous for being a symbol of love and has beautiful architecture. It's important historically, and many tourists who like history come to see it. The pretty design with special marble work and gardens interests architects and artists. The story of love between the emperor and his wife is touching, so couples often come here. People who like taking pictures also love to capture its beauty. Because of its history, art, and culture, many travelers dream of visiting the Taj Mahal.